Welcome to SL Baina English. I am Sumalata, GVM School Arpipeta. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay. I am Sumalata from SL Baina English. Today we are going to learn how to combine the sentences with though. Okay. Although, even though, in spite of and despite are all used to link two contrasting ideas or show that one fact make the other fact surprising. They can all be used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. Although, even though, in spite of and despite are all used to link two contrasting ideas. To link two contrasting ideas or show that one fact make the other fact surprising. They can all be used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. Okay, once again I tell you. Though, although, even though, in spite of and despite are all used to link two contrasting ideas or show that one fact make the other fact surprising. Okay, they can all be used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. Rather informal word can be confusing for students and also native speakers. Though is used as conjunction. Though is used as conjunction. Here we discuss on the usage of though in the sentence. Combining two sentences into one. Synthesis is the process of combining two sentences into one. We can combine two sentences using the conjunctions though and although. Okay, both these words same meaning. However, though is more common than although in an informal style. Though means in spite of the fact that or however. Though or although can go after the main clause. The clause introduced by though or although can go after the main clause. Although, even though, in spite of and despite is that they are used with different structures. Once again I tell you, the main difference between although, even though, in spite of and despite is that they are used with different structures. Although I would have liked more grammar practice. We can use though also there. I enjoyed the course, though I would have liked more grammar practice. Although we saw each other every day, we didn't really know each other. Though we saw each other every day, we didn't really know each other. Though or although. He is very old, but he enjoys good health. He is very old. Before he is very old, write though he is very old, remove the full stop. Okay, then remove but, put there comma and combine the second sentence. Okay, what is the answer? Though he is very old, comma, he enjoys good health. Okay, next slide. He was very tired, yet he completed the work. Write though before at the beginning of the first sentence. He was very tired. Though he was very tired, comma, remove full stop and also yet. Remove yet and also full stop. Put there comma and combine the second sentence. Though he was very tired, comma, he completed the work just as he could. Still he could not catch the thief. Here, write though at the beginning of the sentence. Though the constable ran as fast as he could, remove full stop and also remove still, put there comma, then combine the second sentence. Okay, he could not catch the thief. Though the constable ran as fast as he could, comma, he could not catch the thief. Okay, next one. The doctors gave her the best medical care. Still, they could not save her. Okay, here, where do you put though? At the beginning of the sentence, we write though the doctors gave her the best medical care, then remove stop, remove still also, there put comma, then combine the second sentence. They could not save her. Okay, though the doctors gave her the best medical care, comma, they could not save her. Okay, I think you understood. If you don't understand anyway, see again the video. If you don't understand, write your doubt in the comment box. I will reply for it. Okay, today it's enough. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. He failed. Put though before the first sentence, that is at the beginning of the first sentence. Remove full stop, put comma there, and write H as small letter. Okay. Though he worked hard, comma, he failed. He is poor but he is honest. Here, write though at the beginning of the sentence. Remove full stop, put comma there, remove but, and then write the second sentence. Okay. Though he is poor, comma, he is honest. He is rich, but he could not buy a car. Write though at the beginning of the sentence. Though he is rich, remove full stop, remove but also, put there comma, then write the second sentence. Put full stop there in the last. Though he is rich, comma, he could not buy a car. Okay, I think you understood.